Argparse module. How to add option without any argument? I have created a script using argparse. The script needs to take a configuration file name as an option, and user can specify whether they need to proceed totally the script or only simulate it. The args to be passed, /script fconfig_file s or /script fconfig_file. It's okay for the fconfig_file part, but it keeps asking me for arguments for the s, which is optional and should not be followed by any. I have tried this. With the following errors. And same error with instead of 0.
As at Felix Kling suggested, use action equals store_true. To create an option that needs no value, set the action, docs, of it to store_const, store_true or store_false. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.